about the Congress party here, which is all set to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi taking over the presidency of the party with a mega CWC meeting at Belgavi named Nav Satyargrah Baitak. Now, on this agenda of the party's Manthan is to finalize on the action plan for 2025. Over 200 Congress Karyakartas and leaders who are expected to attend the meeting, including the Gandhi's Congress Party President Mallikarjun Kharge, Congress State Chief Ministers, including Sukhu Revant Reddy, and as the Congress also plans a mega rally following the meeting today, saying that the theme would be Jai Bapu, Jai Bhim and Jai Samvidhan. Now, the Congress party will also be taking up the issue of insult to Ambedkar during the meeting and will reiterate the party's stand against the Union Home Minister. Congress minister speaking on the issue, and Congress has said that they always safeguarded the country's unity and integrity and that some are trying to create dissent in the nation, and there are two types of people, those who believe in Gandhi's Bharat and those who believe in Godse's Bharat.
Congress has kept this country united. Congress history is country history. We have to safeguard this country's integrity and unity with a secular outlook. That is what Mahatma Gandhi ji has given out in his resolution. So we are going to reiterate it. And it is this resolution, this meeting is not for only the Congress party. It is for the country and all governments. Whichever the governments are in power, they should take a leaf out of it. If they believe in Gandhi principles, if they believe in our constitution, if they believe with Ambedkar ideology, and all this they have to adopt. They don't have any option in it. They may criticize, but the inner conscience of the BJP leaders, I have spoken to a number of BJP leaders across the country, all of them agree with the basic ideology of the Congress party, which is the democracy which they have made them the leaders of this country.
So the Congress party is continuously raising the matter of constitution as well as Baba Sahib Ambedkar. On the other side, BJP is saying that it is the Congress which has never respected the constitution or Baba Sahib Ambedkar. How do you see this matter?
I think they doesn't have anything to tell. They are just only on finding faults or criticizing, but let them do whatever they want. We will do. We are on our agenda, we will do our job.
Agenda of the whole celebration is to remember 1924 AICC session, and the purpose is to disseminate Gandhi's philosophy, Gandhi's sayings, Gandhi's message to the young generation. 1924 AICC session not only dealt with politics, it dealt with social reforms, it dealt with the peace of the country, it dealt with the self-respect and self-dependence. All these various subjects were dealt in 1924 session. That's why that is really a historic work.
We would like to give a message because, after all, what are the tenets of Constitution of India? That was basically laid down by Mahatma Gandhi. And that was pronounced by Mahatma Gandhi in 1924. That message should go around not only among the Congress people, but the entire nation, the entire country. And unfortunately, we have a government in the center who have no knowledge of the history of freedom struggle, and in fact they are not prepared to acknowledge Mahatma Gandhi as the sole, in fact, the leader who led the freedom movement.
The BJP in the meantime has gone ahead to slam the Congress party, saying that it has no moral right to celebrate Mahatma Gandhi, as today's Congress is opposite to Gandhi's Congress and his ideals.
Fought for independence, and the Congress, which is now ruling, is two different Congresses. Totally opposite. This is anti-people, anti-national Congress, and that was a nationalist Congress. And these people doesn't have any moral right to celebrate that. But however, they are celebrating. Let good sense prevail on them.
So okay, any comments on Gulbarga electric issues?
I already commented.
Let's get in a word from Nyamika. Nyamika, good morning. What is this event all about, especially when it comes to highlighting as far as the contributions are concerned and remembering as far as Mahatma Gandhi? The BJP says that the Congress party has no right to talk about Mahatma Gandhi.
Well, yes, that's right. As the Congress party is going to hold a CWC meeting, an extended CWC meeting today in Belagavi, and tomorrow there is going to be a mega rally as the Congress party is going to mark the 100 years of Mahatma Gandhi taking over as the president of the Grand Old Party, and for that reason, today we are going to see that how the senior leaders of the Congress party are going to discuss here that what is going to be the future strategy of the Congress to take upon the BJP government at the center, as not just the CWC members but the PCC president, CLP leaders, as well as the member of parliament in both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are also going to participate in this CWC meeting, which is being named as Nav Satyagraha, because the theme which is being taken up by the Congress party of this CWC meeting is about the constitution, the safeguarding the constitution, as well as the legacy of not just Mahatma Gandhi but also of Baba Sahib Ambedkar. So clearly we can see that the Congress party is going to make a strategy against the BJP government, because the manner in which Congress is repeatedly raising the concerns which are and making allegations upon the BJP government for attacking the constitution as well as the legacy of Baba Sahib Ambedkar. So for that reason, a resolution is also going to be passed by the Congress, not just about the political situation of the country but also about the economic situation of this country. Tomorrow there is going to be a mega rally which is being named as Jai Bhim, Jai Constitution and Jai Gandhi. So for that reason we can clearly see that how the Congress party is planning to take upon the BJP government at the center. On the other side, the war of words has also been erupted because the BJP is attacking the Congress party that they have no moral right to celebrate the 100 years presidency of Mahatma Gandhi, because this is not what Gandhi's Congress was all about. It is basically
so
Indira Gandhi's
2025 action plan also set to be decided as far as this mega meeting in Belgavi that would be taking place, and tomorrow there is another march, and that rally is also expected to take place. Jai Bapu, Jai Bhim, Jai Samvidhan seems to be the theme of this meeting that would be taking place on part of the Congress party. Nyamika, thank you very much. With that, we head into a short break.